Bajes, and Maria Cristina. You know, there is something beautiful that is happening today. More than beautiful, it is very courageous. You do not share the same faith, but you are here choosing each other. Ang tawag po dito, disparity of cult. One party is Catholic and the other is non-Christian. But the Catholic Church allows this because the Church believes in real love.
There are times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold of the night. I just can't believe that you are mine now.
Bajes, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever to love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Never thought I
Huwag kang iyak, huwag kang iyak, huwag iyak. Ganda mo. Ba't umiyak ka? Naiiyak tuloy kami.
You're all I need to be here with forevermore.
You have to take care of her, okay?
Happy ako. Happy ako para sa'yo.
I've longed to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming
Wow!
every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you would be mine.
My promise to you, I will give
I
you
just can't believe that you
all
are
happiness
mine now.
always fulfill your wishes.
You are just a dream that I want to.
Maria Cristina,
Maria Cristina,
Thought I
wear
would
this ring
be right for you.
as a sign
I
of
just
my
can't
love.
compare you with
love
anything
dedication.
in this world. As endless as forever, our love will stay together.
Sana
You were all
magsama kayo
I
ng matiwasay. Alam
need
ko,
to
walang
be
away. Meron lang konting kulitan. Si Mati makulit.
You're all I need to be
Let us clap our hands for Bajes, Maria Cristina. Congratulations. God bless you.
Parang gusto ko nang maniwala.
Isang umaga na tayo'y magsasama. O anong sarap.
Pwede bang secret na lang yan?
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo,
Tama po yan?
hanggang maubos
Ganun na
ang
lang?
buo.
Kuya,
Hanggang gumulong ang luha, hanggang mahulog ang tala.
Hey girls, what's
ulit. Andyan yung nanay tatay.
Thank you!
Nasa tamang edad na sila, alam na nilang tama at mali.
Brother Dave.
Thank you, Ron!
Masdan mo ang aking mata. Di mo ba nakikita? Ako'y lumilipad at nasa alapaapta. Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Sumama.
She came in my life and she changed my life. I love too much. We are very happy and I hope we spend the whole life very happily.
Sorry kasi I'm always busy. When I'm busy, you're also busy. Because you're my driver, my bodyguard, all. That's why, sorry for that. Promise, I'll be by your side, whatever happens.
More patient and always
Patient and understand.
always take rest.
I will.
Have more babies. Create, procreate. That's all I can say.
Long time ago po, Ate Tina and I, we promised each other na kung sinong ikakasal sa aming dalawa, siya yung gagawin naming maid of honor. So, ate, finally, kinasal ka na.
Congrats, Ning. Naiyak ko. Masaya kami sa iyo. Natuloy ng kasal. Tama na. Naiyak ako.
Maria Cristina, your faith will be your strength. Not to force, not to argue, but to simply love marriage. And you, Bahes, you may share the same faith, but today you share the same promise.
Sobrang masaya ako, ate. I'm so happy na dumating tayo sa ganito.
Pagod at sakripisyo, yung dalawa, pero kahit gano'n naman po, natupad naman po ang nais niyong mangyari na maikasal.